I thought we were going to the beach.
I'm sorry. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today we are in Abu Dhabi, near Abu Dhabi Mall, and we're here on a volunteering opportunity trying to clean a rocky beach or sideway. Myself and Khalil.
Yo, what up?
Trying not to
Got the
slip.
wrong footwear today.
Yeah, I prepared ahead and brought myself some boots. Show us that style.
This is the new Louis Vuitton. It's new style, you know what I'm saying? This is why we're here.
Wait, what?
This is why we're here.
What is it?
The free bananas.
You're getting free bananas. And
They
that's why.
promised us free banana shakes, but like, I guess we'll have to do.
All right, fair.
Let me then start with this briefing, thanking you, all of you guys, for being with us, for participating in this initiative that Jalbout has started a few months ago. Just to let you know, this is just the second time we are doing it. The first time we did it just with our team, with the engineers and the sales and marketing department and some of the office. And this time we just think why we don't invite the community to be part of this, which basically you were so happy to be part of this, and we too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Maybe a little bit big, but
you.
welcome.
All right, guys, ready to roll. Hey guys, this is Dareen, one of the main organizers here.
Hi guys. So today we are Jalbout. Jalbout is a boat tour company and water sports center in Abu Dhabi, just behind Abu Dhabi Mall. And we just initiate this amazing initiative to clean the sea, which is very, very, very dirty. This is our place, this is our planet. We really need to take care of our planet. We don't have any idea how they're coming, but it's every day. Maybe it's just the sea, just the place, and humans. I think we are the ones that are creating this problem.
Do you think they originated from people throwing them off the boat? Or?
Yeah, sure. For sure, it's they are trying it on while they're passing with the boats. Yeah.
Right, you guys, you see, these things are some of the most pollutant things you can find.
Like, for all you viewers out there, but like taking care of your skin and getting that mud bath and all that, like you should just skip all that and just
Come here.
come here. It's perfect. I feel like a newborn already.
All right, you guys, we filled up our bags and it was such a fun activity. We collected a lot of the trash that washes up on the shore, basically. So that is it. Some of the stuff we picked up was, like I mentioned, plastic. Some of the items seems like people just throw them from the boats, or maybe they just, you know, dump them by mistake, you know, from the boat. They just slip off or something. So because sometimes it's like a glove, it's only one pair, for instance. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it with Abdul. See you guys on the next one. Alright guys, it was a fantastic experience. Thanks to Dareen from
Thanks to you
Jalbout.
guys.
We enjoyed collecting a lot of the trash here, saving Mother Earth from all the plastic.
Thank you so much for coming.
No worries,
Thank you.
appreciate it.
I'd liked it a lot more if I got shoes. I mean, I spent half the time trying to clean my feet from mud, but it was amazing. 4 out of 5.
Good, 4 out of 5. Let's do it.
Let's do it again.
So you will do it again. Good to know.
If I get shoes next time, sure.